We're drawing something super exciting. 3 friends from your school pencil case. A pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start by drawing a tall rectangle in the middle of our paper. Now, let's add a triangle at the bottom for the tip of our pencil. And at the top, let's draw a rounded shape for the eraser holder. To make our pencil even more special, let's draw a heart shape on the top area. Perfect! Now, let's give our pencil some personality by adding 2 cute eyes and a happy smile. Next, let's draw the eraser. Start by drawing a smaller rectangle right next to the pencil. Then, add a rounded edge to one side to make it look realistic. Now, let's give our eraser some personality too. Add 2 cute eyes and a big smile. Look at that, it's already looking so friendly.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, let's draw the sharpener. Start with a rectangle, but make the sides wavy. This will give it that cool sharpener shape. Great work, everyone! Now, let's add some details, like the blade in the middle. Look at that! Our sharpener is ready to join
La
the
da da
fun!
da dee.
Now, let's make all our drawings pop. Trace over all the lines with your black marker to make them bold and sharp. Take your time. It looks so much better, doesn't it?
Yay!
Time to bring our pencil, eraser, and sharpener to life with colors. We're going to use rainbow colors today. I'll call out the colors as we go. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, it looks amazing! Fantastic job, everyone! Look at our colorful pencil, eraser, and sharpener. They're all ready for school. You did such an amazing job. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cute and fun, a cute notebook. Grab your markers, and let's start. Let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the main shape of our notebook. Now, on the left side of the rectangle, draw small curved lines in a row to make the spiral binding of the notebook. At the bottom right corner of the notebook, draw a cute little heart. This makes our notebook even more adorable. Let's make this notebook come to life. In the middle, draw two big, sparkling eyes. Add tiny circles inside the eyes and color them in, leaving the circles white to make them shine. Next, let's draw a small, triangle-shaped nose and a happy, smiling mouth. On the top of the rectangle, let's draw two triangle-shaped ears. Finally, around the notebook, draw a few small heart shapes. Wow, everyone, your notebook is looking amazing. Now let's trace over our lines again to make them bold and sharp. This will make our drawing pop. Doesn't it look fantastic?
Yay!
It's time to color. Grab your color pens or crayons. Pink color. Red color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Purple color. Blue color. You did an amazing job, everyone. Your cute notebooks look so creative and colorful. Don't forget to show your artwork to your family and friends. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures at Toddlers Art Hub. Hey, amazing artists! Today, let's draw a school stationery set together, the tools that make our art and learning so much fun. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Before we splash some color, let's start with a quick pencil sketch. Join me as we sketch out a notebook, a pencil, scissors, and a scale, all the essentials for every little artist's adventure. Great job with the sketch! Now, let's grab our black marker and give life to these sketches. First, draw a big and beautiful notebook. Make it your own. Add a heart shape on the notebook cover. Feel the love and creativity flowing. Now, let's draw a pencil. Moving on, draw a pair of scissors. Open them wide, they're ready for action. Last but not least, let's draw a scale. Imagine measuring all the incredible things you create. Make it as long as your imagination. And there we have our school stationery set. Now, let's bring these drawings to life with some colors. Let's color the notebook first. Yellow color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Now, the pencil. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Sky blue color. Moving on to the scissors. Purple color. Green color. Yellow color. And for the scale. Yellow color. Green color. Ready for another creative journey? Let's draw a pen holder with more fun stationery inside. Sketch out a lovely pen holder. Draw a pencil, a pen, another pencil, and a scale inside the holder. Now, let's add a beautiful flower on its body. Arrange them neatly. Make those outlines bold and sharp. Our pen holder is taking shape. Now, let's add some colors. Red color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Yellow color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. Black color. Lime green color. And there you have it, a colorful pen holder. And that's a wrap. I hope you had a blast creating your school stationery set and pen holder with me. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and until next time, stay creative. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.